My name's Jenny and I'm a Senior Product Manager at Safety First. I'm also the mom of 3, and I know how confusing it can be when you're first purchasing a monitor. There are a lot of choices, audio versus video, digital versus analog, one receiver versus 2, and I'm here to walk you through some of the decisions you'll need to make in order to pick the right monitor for you. So, the first decision you'll want to make is whether you're in the market for an audio monitor, which lets you listen to baby, or whether you want a video monitor, which lets you see and listen to baby. The other option is, do you want multiple receivers? Do you think you're going to use the video or audio monitor in different parts of the house? Or if you'll keep the parent unit with you? These are the fundamental choices. Then beyond that, you talk about the technology. The biggest choice you'll have in front of you is analog versus digital. And the way to think about that is, what's the price that I'm willing to pay? And what's the living arrangement where I'll be using this monitor? In multi-apartment settings or townhouses where there are shared walls, you'd be better served by digital, where the parent and baby unit are specially coded to speak only to each other, and it increases your privacy. If you're in a freestanding home, if your neighbors don't have baby monitors, if your kitchen and living area don't have a lot of electronics, you might be better served with analog, which will come at a lower price point. The way you'll be able to tell whether a product is analog or digital, most manufacturers mark it right on the package. You'll see the word digital displayed prominently. If you don't, chances are it's analog, but a quick way to always check is if they talk about needing the channels. Channel 1, Channel 2. This means that you would have to manually adjust the channel setting on your analog monitor 1 to 2. So if it's talking about channels, chances are it's analog. If it's digital, you'll see the word digital displayed prominently. A simple entryway into digital can be as inexpensive as $49 or $59. If you're willing to pay more, though, you will get some great convenience features, temperature sensing, vibration, extended range. These types of things become more possible as you're willing to pay more. And you'll see frequencies like 2.4 gigahertz, 5.8, or DECT, which is really the premium version of digital. It's a voice-only frequency and offers you the highest guarantee of privacy. Everybody has heard of their neighbors seeing their baby on their monitor. To avoid that, go with digital, where the units are specially coded to speak this baby unit and this parent unit. Information is sent and received only between these two. If you go into analog, this is where you become exposed to the possibility of picking up your neighbors singing happy birthday to their toddler or actually seeing their baby. It's not common. These technologies are tried and true, but there is the possibility of the frequency being the same between you and your neighbor's baby monitor. In video monitors, you'll have a choice between a tabletop unit, which allows you to see baby, but it has to stay in one place. Or you can have a handheld, which comes with a belt clip. You can keep it with you as you move about the house doing your chores and errands. And in this case, you can see my daughter Eliza. She's in her play yard in the other room. Video monitors have a variety of features they come with today. Digital technologies allow you to do everything from tell the temperature in baby's room. I can zoom in. Again, this is a function of the price that you're willing to pay and whether it's digital or analog technology. I know you've got a lot of choices out there in monitors, but the key decisions to keep in mind are digital versus analog, video versus audio, and then think about whether a second receiver would make this a more usable, comfortable monitor for your home and family use.